Hello dear students, I hope you all are fine. As you know that we all are under an uncertain lockdown because of this coronavirus, and we don't know that when we will get rid of this deadly disease and schools will be able to reopened. So we should stay at home and take care of cleanliness, and very important thing that we all should not spoil our time during these lockdown days, because if you will utilize these days, it will be really fruitful for you. And during these days you can do a lot of things. Even in mathematics, you can revise your previous concepts where you are weak. You can do some practice mental maths. A lot of things you can do. And I have also tried my best to provide you online classes for maths especially, and I'm very happy that you all are taking it very positively. And many of you are sending me the questions on whatsapp. Many of you are sending the questions, and this is very positive attitude. And one more important thing I would like to discuss here, that whenever you are asking questions on whatsapp, on my whatsapp, so please wait for some time, because what happens, uh, generally every day 40-50 students are asking questions on the same time. So it is very difficult for me to provide you the solution within 5 minutes or within 10 minutes. It takes time. I make the solution, I send it. So please, whenever you are asking the questions, give me some time, then only it is possible. Because many times what happens, same student is asking me again and again that, sir, please give me a solution, please give me a solution. So it is very difficult to provide you solution within 5 or 10 minutes. So please give me some time. And so this was I wanted to convey some message, so this was my message. And in this, already I have finished 2 chapters, that whole numbers and numbers I have finished, and both the chapters are from the arithmetic section. So I thought that we should change our taste, so that's why now I would like to start one chapter from geometry section. And I hope you all will enjoy this chapter, basic geometry. So today I'll discuss basic geometry. Thank you very much. So we will start this chapter, geometry. Actually the geometry, it is made of 2 words, geo plus metry. This is your geo and metry. Geo means earth and metry means measurement. So anything which is related to the measurement of earth known as geometry. And now one question will arise in your mind, that what we measure, what part of the earth we measure. So whatever you look on the earth, like plane, space, all these things comes in this geometry section. So here I have written that one definition of geometry: it is a part of mathematics that deals with objects such as point, line, plane and space. Further I will discuss these points, that what is a point, what is a line, what is a plane, what is a space. And in the previous classes also, you had already seen a lot of figures like triangle, quadrilateral, circle. All these shapes are geometrical shapes. So basically we will discuss in this chapter about point, line, plane, space. We will discuss about these points. So the first very important thing in the basic geometry is point. That's why you know the point as basic unit of geometry. It is basic unit of geometry. Everything starts with a point only. It is very interesting that the whole geometry is made with this point. If it would not have been there, then maybe it would have not possible to understand the concept of geometry. So first of all, we'll start from a point. A point is represented by a dot and is named by a capital letter of English alphabet. Basically, point is a dot. Like suppose you can see I'm putting a dot. This is a point. So we represent this point with a dot. We represent a point with a dot, and it has no length and breadth. We do not consider its length and breadth. So whenever if somebody is asking you that it has length and breadth, no, it is not having length and breadth. And we represent this point with capital letters. Any capital letter you can use: A, point B, point S, point L. Any capital letter you can use. The second, in the note section, I have written second point. It shows an exact location of any object. So with the help of these dots, you can represent an exact location of any object. Suppose in this screen, one object is here, and I represent it as a point with the point M. So when I ask you that where is point M, where is the what is the location of object M, so you can see in the screen and you can observe the exact location of this object. So in the representation of point, the same thing I'll discuss again. How to it means that how to represent a point. We represent a point with capital letters always, like this. Point is there, we can write like this. Suppose any object is there. Suppose I'm making here one object. This is, so you can see this, these are the points, and we always represent it with capital letter A, B, C, D. Any capital letter you can use, P, Q, R, S, X, Y, Z, anything you can take. The next point is line, which I'll discuss in my next video. Thank you.